You may not have direct control over the air quality outside of your vehicle, but there is something you can do about the air coming into your vehicle's cabin. Bosch offers cabin air filters to fit almost every application. The Bosch Workshop cabin filter line filters out 90% of pollutants larger than 10 microns. For specific vehicles, Bosch offers carbon cabin filters that help to absorb odors along with regular particulate cabin filters. The filter may need to be replaced more frequently if you notice odors or dust coming from the air vents. These symptoms might indicate a mold or mildew concern or a heavily clogged filter. It's important to refer back to the vehicle owner's manual to correctly identify location of the cabin filter. Today, we will replace a cabin filter located in this vehicle's glove compartment. Your vehicle's cabin filter might be located under the dashboard on the passenger side of the vehicle or under the hood on the passenger side at the base of the windshield. Depending on the installation, necessary tools may include a screwdriver, socket and ratchet, gloves, and protective eyewear. Also recommended are a damp cloth and a vacuum for removing dust from the cabin filter compartment. To remove the cabin filter from within the glove compartment, open the glove compartment door and remove all of the contents. There may be glove box hangers that need to be released on either side of the glove box. Push these inward and then pull them out to release the glove box. Some applications may require the removal of fasteners. Next, find the location of the cabin filter. Slowly and gently pull the cabin filter housing out of the compartment while being careful not to disperse dust or debris into the cabin. Check for leaves, dust, or other debris in the compartment before installing the new cabin filter. Use a vacuum or damp cloth to remove any dust or debris from the compartment. Compare the new cabin filter to the old one to ensure it is the same size and shape. Remove the old filter from the cabin filter housing. Orient the new cabin filter to ensure the airflow arrows are pointing in the same direction as the old filter. Insert the new cabin filter, making sure the edges are flush with the edges of the housing. Slide the cabin filter housing back into the glove box compartment. Make sure it is seated properly. Reconnect the hangers or brackets on the sides of the glove box. Tighten any fasteners that were removed previously. Close the glove box. Cabin filters do not contain hazardous materials and are therefore safe to dispose of in a regular household trash system. To find your local source for high-quality Bosch automotive products, visit our website at boschautoparts.com. For professional assistance with your auto repair needs, contact an independently owned and authorized Bosch Car Service repair shop. Visit boschcarservice.us to find one near you.